My hair is crazy, I know. It has been a grueling race week. So this starts day, is this 6? Are we seriously, we're on day 6? I don't even know what day it is. Whatever day it is, we're day 6. And we're playing, let's take the turbo off again and replace some gaskets, because Blake was awesome enough and got me some MLS header gaskets. So these bad boys are going on. That is my task for right now. Tell you what, the struggle bus is real. So I get here, I get the turbo off, and I can actually see what the problem is. And we're missing a plug. Oh, you guys are dirty. That must be because I spit on you yesterday. There you are, my pretties. Okay, so so that's for a secondary O2 sensor. The plug must have come out. So I'm
Thanks, Bumps.
I'm gonna have to go get some plugs. Well, being prepared is something I was not last year, and this year I came with spare O2 sensors. So that bung is supposed to be for an O2 sensor, so you can monitor each one of them pre-turbo, post exhaust, then you can monitor after turbo as well. Here we go. So I was, you can see we got a little puddle there. One of the power steering fittings I was tightening up top, and it started dribbling out of the rack right here. So I think we got her. The O-ring just wasn't seated right, but that's it. And then the other thing, can you see what's missing? Yep. You have to figure out what the heck's going on there. That being said, I had to snug up my engine bolts because one of them's missing. That was interesting. Not sure how that happened. I'm going to blame it on Justin Beckley. Woo! We had a mad dash when we got here. We had a upper control arm come loose on the way, so I had to fix that. Got everything ready to rock. We had a mad dash when we got here. We had a upper control arm come loose on the way, so I had to fix that. Got everything ready to rock. Get the tires on. We're ready to go. We're gonna make our first pass. We're making some good boost, so wish me luck. Woo! Second pass. First one was 12.4. Hey, look, there's Kyle. We're gonna make our second pass. I turned the manual boost controller up just a little bit. With a better launch, we should be able to hit a lot better time. So we're gonna look at this little Mustang here, running in a stick shift class. Then you got this guy over here. Holy wow, that's a big boy turbo.
Once again,
looks good just sitting there, all ready to rock.
Liz Smith in the left lane.
12.0 classes next. Here we started, looks like.
You should be making your way
There's
down
14,
to lane
13, we're at 12s, 11, 10.
Let's go ahead and get 10.0 cars. 10.0 cars. Come on down to 8.
Some really awesome cars here.
11.70 in the left lane. 12.35.
If you haven't been out to a Rocky Mountain Race Week event to look at stuff, you're missing out.
Next pair of pickup trucks.
Alright, so my second pass, we had a, we were car 207 right here. I turned the
turned the boost controller one too many times. I was gonna go 2 times and I did 3. So I hit about 15 pounds of boost and crapped my pants. Short shifted third just because I knew it was gonna be too fast. We ended up with a 1760 foot, 1186 at 123. I wanted to make a shout out to, we got Cody came out to see me, we got Dan came out to see me, and somewhere over there is my family. I don't know where, but they ran away. Glenn Diddy from the city, Ed, Sylvia, I appreciate you guys for coming out and watching. It's always nice to see people come out and say hi, so thank you. You can see on the data log right here I was looking at, we were right about, AFR got spiked a little high, about 5,200 RPM, so we need to add a little bit there. We're at a 127 VE. So we're gonna go over to our tune here. We're gonna go to our fuel settings, fuel table, and what, 5,200 RPM at 170 kPa, we're at 128. Yeah, so right there, look at that, we went, spiked down a little bit. So we need to go up right here. Well, that pass was a 12.4. I missed 4th gear, otherwise it would have been pretty all right on point, but my wife hit the wrong button on the camera, so it cut the video off. We got through first gear. Look at this Futura. Freaking awesome little thing. Got a 302, the GT40, and a little Pro Charger. Hell yeah.
Not bad.
Man, I bet that thing's gonna haul butt. Woo! Look at that sunset. So we're in Kearney right now. They're letting all the big boys go. All of us little guys got to go on the greasy track today, so look at this. Such a cool event. Look at these guys. This legend right here just ran a 15.5 today.
Very cool deal. You guys rock. Awesome. Congratulations. That's it. That crew is down there.
What's better than that? Look at this beautiful crap box 86 Mustang with that sunset in the background. Does it get any better than that? All right, we're gonna leave you with that. It's time for us to get out of here. This beautiful woman deserves some much needed attention from Daddy, and this has to get ready for the road, so we'll see you guys later in Great Bend tomorrow. Drive fast, take chances.